The Atlas Babycar is one of the most intriguing examples of post-war French automotive innovation. Originally introduced as the Coccinelle Ladybird by Société Industrielle at the 1948 and 1949 Paris Salons, the vehicle was soon taken over by Société Industrielle de Livry and renamed the Atlas Babycar. Bodywork was crafted in Paris by Duryea, a company renowned for shaping complex, compound curved steel panels, a rare choice for microcars of the era. The Atlas featured a modern roadster silhouette with rounded, bulbous fenders and a distinctive design that evolved throughout its brief production. Modifications included alterations to the windscreen, grille casting, seat cushions, and headlamp height. Doors were later added, enhancing practicality and appealing especially to its largely female target audience. Underneath the stylish exterior was a robust tubular steel chassis. The car employed advanced engineering for its class. A-arm front suspension with coil springs, triangular trailing arms at the rear, rack-and-pinion steering, and four-wheel cable-operated drum brakes. The Atlas measured 108 inches in length. To reduce complexity and cost, Sile eliminated the differential. Instead, a cardan shaft powered only the left rear wheel through a secondary gear case that included reverse gear, a rarity among microcars. Several engine options were tested, including 125 cubic centimeters, 150 cubic centimeters, 175 cubic centimeters, and even a 250 cubic centimeters engine manufactured by Industry Low with electric start. Ultimately, Scooters India Limited standardized the 175 cubic centimeters AMC single-cylinder four-stroke engine, producing 8.5 horsepower. Starting was achieved via floor-mounted pull lever. The vehicle rode on elegant two-piece aluminum cast wheels, contributing to its refined appearance. Ciel built 3 distinct models on the same chassis platform to cater to different market segments. The Atlas Babycar, priced at 245,000 francs, served as the premium version, equipped with doors, a folding windscreen, built-in headlamps, an ornate alloy grille, and lamp castings. The Cover, introduced in 1950 at 215,000 francs, was a mid-range model that omitted several luxury elements. The Le Piaf Sparrow, launched in 1951 at 200,000 francs, was the most basic offering, featuring flat alloy panels, open sides, steeply raked windscreens, and hammock-style canvas seating. Despite its innovative engineering and diverse lineup, the Atlas and its siblings struggled in the marketplace. Ciel ceased operations following the 1953 Paris Salon. Only 2 examples of the Atlas Babycar are known to survive. One of these was found in original condition in France and underwent an extensive restoration, guided by period photographs due to the lack of detailed documentation. During the process, restorers discovered 1 franc coins used as washers on the steering arms, an improvised solution reflecting post-war material shortages. This restored Atlas later joined the Bruce Weiner Microcar Museum in Madison, Georgia. In 2013, it sold at R.M. Sotheby's auction for $60,375. With its rare combination of engineering ingenuity, period design, and extreme scarcity, the Atlas Babycar remains a compelling symbol of post-war resilience and creativity in the automotive world.